Interruptions and diversions that negatively influence organizational flow are very common. The question is, what will you do to fix the flow? Resist the urge to overanalyze and overreact, and resist blame. You could do more harm either because the analysis period takes too long or because you have done the wrong thing. Instead, use your data to map the current state of the situation. Watch for crimps in the flow caused by unreasonable work, uneven work, or even unnecessary work. And always look for ways to inject positive action and reinforcement to encourage your workforce to do better.